Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain in your PS5 console or PS4 console, if the still old PS Plus is displaying for subscriptions and the new PS Plus upgrade option is not available, what you need to do is, first we need to shut down our console, whether it's a PS5 or PS4. So going to shut down it. Once the PS5 console is completely turned off, you need to restart your PS5 console in safe mode. In order to bring the PS5 console into safe mode, we need to press and hold the power button for some seconds until 2 beeps, okay? So I'm going to press and hold it. Started. I should hear the second beep. Then we can take the finger. So now you can see this PS5 console is in safe mode. Connect the controller using the USB cable and then press the PS button. So now it is in safe mode. So now we need to connect the controller. I'm going to plug this USB type C. On the other end, I need to insert into PS5 console. Insert it. Then I'm going to press this PS button. We can fix various issues by rebuilding the database. For example, if your Trophies is not synced properly. Next, if the game is not downloading properly, that also you can fix it by rebuilding the database. And any PS Plus issues, just come to safe mode and rebuild the database. So I'm going to choose option number 5. And here we need to choose rebuild database. The database will be rebuilt. It might take a few hours to rebuild the database. Okay. So until it's complete, we need to wait for some time. Rebuilding database is started. Super cool. Rebuilding the database is successful. PS5 is started normally. Now you can try log in with your PS account. So this time you will be able to see this PS Plus upgrade options. Before you do the rebuild database, just verify and ensure that your country is having the new PS Plus, because in some countries only new PS Plus is launched. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.